Question number 1. Which of the following is known as the powerhouse of the cell? The correct option is option B. Mitochondria. Mitochondria produce ATP through cellular respiration, so called powerhouse of the cell. Question number 2. Which organelle is involved in protein synthesis? The correct option is option A. Ribosome. Ribosomes are responsible for translating mRNA into proteins. Question number 3. Which structure regulates the entry and exit of substance in a cell? The correct option is option B. Plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable and controls movement of substance in and out of the cell. Question number 4. Which of the following is found only in plant cell? The correct option is option B. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts are responsible for photosynthesis and are present only in plant cell. Question number 5. The functional unit of life is the correct option is option C. Cell. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a membrane-bound organelle? The correct option is option B. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are non-membranous organelles. Question number 7. In prokaryotes, genetic material is found in the correct option is option B. Nucleoid. Prokaryotes lack a true nucleus. Their DNA is located in a region called the nucleoid. Question number 8. What is the function of lysosomes? The correct option is option C. Digestion of cellular waste. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that break down waste material and cellular debris. Question number 9. Who discovered the cell? Correct option is option A. Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered cells in 1665 while observing cork. Question number 10. Which of the following statement is part of the cell theory? The correct option is option C. All living things are made of cells. One major tenet of cell theory is that all living organisms are composed of cells. Question number 11. Which part of the cell contains hereditary material? The correct option is option B. Nucleus. The nucleus contains chromosomes which carry DNA. Question number 12. Which is the site for lipid synthesis? The correct option is option B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for lipid and steroid synthesis. Question number 13. What is the jelly-like substance inside the cell? The correct option is option A. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the gel-like fluid that holds organelles in place within the cell. Question number 14. Which organelle helps in cell division in animal cells? The correct option is option A. Centrioles. Centrioles organize spindle fiber during cell division. Question number 15. Cell wall is absent in? The correct option is option C. Animal cell. Animal cells don't have a cell wall. They only have a plasma membrane. Question number 16. Fluid mosaic model refers to? The correct option is option C. Plasma membrane. The fluid mosaic model describes the dynamic and flexible structure of the plasma membrane. Question number 70. Which of the following organelles is involved in detoxification of drugs? The correct option is option C. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in detoxifying drugs and harmful substances in the liver cells. Question number 18. The nucleolus is primarily involved in? The correct option is option C. Ribosome production. The nucleolus assembles ribosomal subunits essential for protein synthesis. The outermost layer in plant cell is, the correct option is option B, cell wall. Cell wall is a rigid protective outer layer found in plant cells. Question number 20. Which organelle is responsible for packaging and transport of proteins? The correct option is option C, Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts and packages proteins for transport. Question number 21. Which cell organelle is called the suicidal bag of the cell? The correct option is option C, lysosome. Lysosome contains hydrolytic enzymes that can digest the entire cell if released. Question number 22. Cell wall in plants is mainly composed of? The correct option is option B, cellulose. Plant cells walls are primarily made up of cellulose, a structural carbohydrate. Question number 23. What is the main function of the mitochondria? The correct option is option C, ATP production. Mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP during cellular respiration. Question number 24. Which of these cells lack a nucleus? The correct option is option B, red blood cells. Mature mammalian red blood cells are enucleated to increase oxygen carrying space. Question number 25. Plasmodesmata are found in? The correct option is option B, plant cells only. Plasmodesmata are cytoplasmic bridge between adjacent plant cells for communication. Question number 26. Cristae are found in? The correct option is option B, mitochondria. Cristae are the inner folds of the mitochondrial membrane that increase surface area for ATP production. Question number 27. The membrane system that modifies and packages proteins is? The correct option is option B, Golgi apparatus. Golgi bodies process and package proteins and lipids. Question number 28. The largest cells in the human body is? The correct option is option C, ovum. Female egg cells is the largest cell in the human body. Question number 29. The smallest cells are found in? The correct option is option C, mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the smallest known cells, about 0.1 micrometer in the size. Question number 30. Which phase of the cell cycle is associated with DNA replication? The correct option is option C, S phase. S phase is the synthesis phase, is the where DNA replication occurs. Question number 31. Semi-autonomous organelles are? The correct option is option B, mitochondria and chloroplast. Mitochondria and chloroplast have their own DNA and can replicate independently. Question number 32. Which enzyme is used during DNA replication? The correct option is option D, DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase catalyzes the synthesis of new DNA strands. Question number 33. The double membrane bound organelle is? The correct option is option C, mitochondria. Mitochondria have a double membrane structure. Question number 34. The function of peroxisome is? The correct option is option C, breakdown of hydrogen peroxide. Peroxisomes contains enzyme like catalase that break down H2O2. Question number 35. The structure responsible for cell shape and movement is? The correct option is option B, cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton provides structural support and aids in movement. Question number 36. Which type of RNA carries amino acid to ribosome? The correct option is option C, tRNA, as that transfer RNA brings amino acid during protein synthesis. Question number 37. Which organelle is abundant in liver cells for detoxification? The correct option is option C, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum cells detoxify drugs in liver cells. Question number 38. Centrosome is present in? The correct option is option C, animal cells. Animal cells have a centrosome containing centrioles which help in cell division. Question number 39. The main site of photosynthesis is? The correct option is option B, chloroplast. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Question number 40. The process of ingression in amoeba is called? The correct option is option C, phagocytosis. Amoeba engulf food by phagocytosis, either that cell eating. Question number 41. The organelle involved in protein modification and transport is, the correct option is option B, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts and packages proteins from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 42. What is the full form of ATP? The correct option is option C, adenosine triphosphate. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphates, the energy currency of the cell. Question number 43. The term cell was coined by, the correct option is option C, Hooke. Robert Hooke coined the term cell in 1665 while observing cork slices. Question number 44. Which of the following is a non-living component of the cells? The correct option is option D, cell wall. The cell wall in plants is a non-living rigid structure made of cellulose. Question number 45. In which organelle does the Calvin cycle takes place? The correct option is option B, chloroplast. The Calvin cycle, either the dark reaction of photosynthesis, occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. Question number 46. The process by which a cell engulfs liquid is called? The correct option is option B, pinocytosis. Pinocytosis means cell drinking. The cell engulfs extracellular fluid. Question number 47. Who proposed the cell theory? The correct option is option B, Schleiden and Schwann. Schleiden and Schwann proposed the cell theory in 1839. Question number 48. DNA is located in which part of the mitochondrion? The correct option is option C, matrix. Mitochondrial DNA is found in the matrix. Question number 49. The total number of chromosomes in a human somatic cell is, the correct option is option B, 46. Human somatic cells are diploid and contain 46 chromosomes, either that 23 pairs of chromosomes. Question number 50. Which of the following helps in a cell recognition and communication? The correct option is option B, glycoproteins. Glycoproteins on the plasma membrane play a key role in cell recognition.